Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'll be making loaded potato leek soup. So let's get started. This soup is nice and thick and creamy and loaded with lots of cheese and ground turkey and scallions. It was just so delicious. Alright, so we're just going to jump right into it. We're going to peel and crush these garlic cloves. You don't even really need to chop anything because it's all going to get pureed. This is a leek, so I'm just going to chop it up and clean it up, and you guys are going to see exactly how I do that, and then I'll come right back. Alright, so I have my butter down. I'm going to add my leeks, my garlic cloves. I have about 5 or 6 large garlic cloves. I like my soup nice and garlicky. You could cut it back to about 2 or 3 if you don't like garlic that much. But, then you're going to add your potatoes. You're going to saute this whole thing down for about 5 minutes. Not that long. I'm on medium heat right now. Next, I'm going to season this with my spicy girl. This is the only seasoning that I'm going to use, as well as some salt. And just make sure you season your food with the seasonings you have at home. However, I strongly recommend getting my spice. You then want to add some chicken stock, vegetable broth, whatever you want to use. And then you're going to cover it and let it cook until tender, just like this. It's nice and tender. Next, if you have an immersion blender, guys, then go ahead and puree your potatoes and leeks. However, I don't have one, so I have to use my food processor. So I'm going to puree it in my food processor and get it ready to go. And we're going to make sure you taste it. Once you puree, taste it for salt and pepper. Make sure your seasoning is good. We're going to thin this out with some heavy cream. The heavy cream is also going to add some creaminess. Once I added the heavy cream, I noticed the soup was still a little too thick. So I decided to make the executive decision to add some water to thin it out. It's not messing with the flavor. My spice is amazing. If you already have it, you already know what's good. You're going to let it simmer for another 2 to 3 minutes, and that's it. Now we're going to work on the toppings. I'm using ground turkey. You can use bacon. I don't have bacon, so I'm using ground turkey. You're going to cook this down. I'm using Spicy Girl yet again. And I'm just going to let the water evaporate, the liquid evaporate, and then get it nice and crispy. Look how crispy that's getting. And let it keep going. Don't be afraid. Let it keep going. And then that's what we're going to top it with, as well as some cheese. So now I'm going to build a bowl and let you guys see exactly how I do it. Y'all, look at this soup. Baby, look at this soup, honey. Oh man, I'm gonna try it real quick. I do not miss the bacon. I wish I had it, but I don't miss it because we cooked that turkey to death and made sure it was nice and crispy. It's cheesy. I'm telling y'all, if y'all don't have my seasoning, y'all playing yourself. Y'all literally see me only use my own spice. You don't need nothing else. You don't believe me? Ask the people that got it in my comments. If you got my spice, comment below and let these people know how good it is. All right, bye y'all.